old balete tree, which is, it's known to have like sorcery powers or like some kind of like healing powers. But oh, 12, 13.
Natatakot ang mga tao dito kasi maraming mga folklores.
Maayong buntag. Oh wait, no. Tanghali na, no? Maayong tanghali mga dong, mga day. So this is the first day in Siquijor. We literally just arrived in the Siquijor port like 3 hours ago. This is my cousin driving right now and I'm here out vlogging in the back. Today we're gonna visit one of the most beautiful beaches here in Siquijor, which is called Paliton Beach in San Juan. It's known for its pristine white sand and the palm trees, and it's around like 4 o'clock right now. Paliton Beach, here we come, baby! Let's go! I think we're a bit lost again. I mean, there's a beach over there. I don't think this is it. There's another way. Alright, man, we're flying the drone.
Yeah, vlog takeover. Kuya's flying his drone right now.
Look at this, bro.
Watch out for the drone shots.
Dang, it's like very like low season right now, bro. Right now, I just flew my drone. It has some like interesting formations. It's like super low tide right now too, though. So that's why there's some patches of dryness. But the water was amazing, though. If you could see the different kinds of shades of blue, it's pretty cool. As this vlog is being filmed at this moment, I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but I just know at the end we're gonna find Paliton Beach. So for now, I'm just gonna give it to Aaron because I'm gonna do the habal first. Yeah, you got this?
I got you, bro. I got you. Kuya RJ is gonna drive us. Let's go, Kuya.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
I don't even know where to go.
Where do we go first? Let's buy something to eat first, Kuya.
Yeah, there's a lot of accommodation here, though.
Yeah, there's a lot of like accommodations, resorts. How do you hold this camera for this long, Kuya? It's so heavy. Like, come on, it's so heavy.
That's why I go to the gym. Let's ask the locals and see if they have a recommendation for us. We're entering Barangay Tubod.
Let's just get lost. We have the whole day to ourselves.
Yeah.
There's no tours today. Today is just like for us to like chill, go around.
Yeah, go around.
So Kuya, where do you think are we?
I have no idea where we are.
We're lost, but the adventure continues.
We're lost. That's the best part, like being lost and just trying to see what we can do here, you know? I think what we need to do is talk to the locals.
Yeah.
Oh, there's mom over there. Should we talk to her?
Go.
We're approaching Lazi, actually. Just going all the way straight, passing San Juan. I see an ate. Let's see what she says. May question lang ako po. Anong pwede magawa sa Lazi?
Kasi pwede buhaton sa Lazi.
Papunta doon, Old Balete.
Balete.
Yung balete tree nandyan na.
Wanna try it today?
Should we try that? Balete? Open pa ba?
Ang Balete pa.
Mga 3 kilometers.
Oh, malapit na. Sige. Diretso lang pa, no? Sige po, salamat thank you. Alright, so per ate, she said that in Lazi, there's a lot of food places where we can eat. There's actually the old balete tree, which is, it's known to have like sorcery powers or like some kind of like healing powers. Alright, so apparently balete, says my cousin, is the home of the mythical creatures here in the Philippines. And that's actually one of the highlights of Siquijor, that balete tree. Let's go check that out and cross that off our bucket list. This is like a freestyle vlog, to be honest. That's the fun of it, you know? That's the fun of the adventure. You can't always plan things. Sometimes it's fun also to just go with the flow, right bro?
Yeah, bro. Kuya, asang Balete tree? Dito pa?
Doon pa? Okay, sige. Okay, sige, salamat. Oh, it's this one. Here it is. You're just gonna go all the way straight from San Juan to Lazi. I think I see it right now through these spider webs. Look, check it out. Look at this. Where are we, bro?
We're at the enchanted balete tree. So you just have to play?
Apparently it's just like 20 pesos to enter the balete enchanted tree. And there are like gift shops here and like a restaurant where you can eat also. I wonder if there's gonna be any mythical Philippines creatures here, you know? Ooh, the enchanted balete tree. It's right over there. Pretty cool, Aaron?
Yeah, like I'm doing like stuff for my highlights right now. It's like they know they're here, they're coming, oh.
The run speed, look.
Look. Ayan,
Look at that.
They're already coming, bro. Look.
Look, there's already massive amount of them right there. Alright, bro, you're gonna dip it? Yeah.
I can't, bro.
You can, you do it. Do it, bro. Come on, that gives you magical powers now, bro. You got this. If you do it, I'll do it.
You haven't even touched my foot yet. There we go, guys. Super ticklish.
Bro, you got the massive ones there coming after you.
I think they don't.
Oh, they don't.
eat
They don't know.
the dead skin. Well, we should go together na lang.
Okay, sige,
Let's
sige.
go together.
We're gonna try this. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how this feels. On 3,
2,
1.
1. Both feet at the same time.
I'm too scared.
Like, can we swim here?
Oh, I don't know. They'll just eat the dead skin for sure. Oh, there's a big one coming. There's 3 big ones coming, you know?
Let's count up to 5 seconds.
Sige. You do 5 seconds, I do 5 seconds.
Sige. Like 5 seconds the moment that they bite.
Yeah.
I'll do first.
Sige, sige, sige.
No, you do first.
Oh, fine.
Okay, go. You
Sige,
do it
record
first.
me.
Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Like your feet barely touch the water, bro.
I know, hold on. What's the worst they can do? They're not gonna kill me.
No, they won't.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Okay,
1, 2, 3,
5.
6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Woo, let's go.
You did 10 seconds, okay?
Let's go. I did.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Dude, it feels so weird. They're like nibbling. They're like nom 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 nom. Got this run. Face here.
1,
Face here.
2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 11,
Oh,
12,
he's going.
13, 14, 20. Dami na.
Grabe, bro. Ayos.
Ayos.
Here. Yeah. Here, guys. Here. We did it. This century-old tree. Yeah, this is one of the amazing tourist spots dito sa Siquijor. And glad we crossed that off the bucket list, you know?
And then again, we have it all to ourselves again.
Yeah. One of the top tourist destinations in Siquijor, and we have it all to ourselves. Crazy, man. Let's see what else we can do here, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, so they do have a gift shop too, and my girlfriend says she wants me to buy a voodoo doll. She wants me to buy a love potion. I don't know why. Thank God they're picking it up for me so I can get that love potion and voodoo doll. You get some souvenirs. Man, so many like choices.
Ito po,
Magkano? Pila po?
200 po. Lagyan mo ng cologne o perfume sa loob. Kasi yan sir, yung love potion na yan yung maganda sa negosyo at sa trabaho din. Lalagyan mo ng cologne sa loob, tapos pwede ikaw din ang gumamit. Kasi
para sa kuwan ba dito?
Nagbe-brings luck and good fortune din yan sa'yo.
Good charm, good fortune, for starting businesses. Use with perfume or cologne. Yeah, ayos po. Ito, tapos ang doll mo. Mga 35 pesos lang to, di ba?
Pwede tatlo 100 po.
Let's get that.
Sige, tatlo 100.
Buy 6.
It's kind of cool, you know, like buying the love potion. Alright, it's not just for relationships, okay?
Yung balete tree talaga sir, yung sabi ng tourism or dinar, not less than 400 years old talaga yan. Pero hindi pa natin alam kung ilang years talaga. Baka abot ng 1,000 years. Tapos yung tubig yan sir, flowing talaga. Sa gitna ng balete siya. Na siya tubod, na siya flowing water mo na siya.
Andyan yung mga fairies.
Oh, meron. Dito sa Siquijor, pag malaki ang puno. Tapos ang puno, marami ding kasamang ibang puno. Katulad dito, meron talaga na bumayari. Noon, kahit kami, natatakot kami dyan. 2008, ganyan, pababa. Natatakot ang mga tao dito. Kasi maraming mga folklores. Pero ngayon, parang wala naman po.
Salamat ha. Kaya. Yeah, ingat, take care. So that was pretty cool. Some fun facts by Kuya, no, bro?
Yeah.
Oh dang, it's super cool.
So it's true pala that there are like creatures living there.
Yeah. All you have to say now is if you're in there, you say tabi tabi po, which means like you're passing by, so the creatures won't get mad. But that's some pretty cool fun fact dito sa Siquijor. I think the sun is setting na, so we had to leave. Pero papunta na tayo sa Paliton Beach, get some drone shots, watch the sunset, then let's go find something to eat, man, cause I'm starving. Starving, bro?
Yeah, dude.
Chasing the sunsets in Siquijor. You think we can make it, bro?
I think we can.
Okay, let's go. Almost running out of sunlight. Are we gonna make it? Okay, I think we arrived. Oh man, I think we didn't make it. Shoot. I mean, we tried our best. You know, sometimes when you try to go after something, sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. And in this case, I guess we didn't get it, unfortunately. But I mean, it's still nice though. It's okay. I guess we'll wait till next time. But there is this cool like graffiti area over here. We did our best, but no, I guess our best wasn't enough. Let's go head back now. Bro, no sunset, bro.
No sunset, bro.
You win some, you lose some, right?
Yep.
Yeah, bro, why are you wearing the face shield though?
Because of the bugs, bro. Like when you drive, it just goes to your face.
Oh my gosh, dude, there's so many bugs. Yo, we gotta leave, bro. There's so many bugs, bro. Let's go. We're getting infested, bro. Dang, there's so many wings. I think that ends day 1 in Siquijor. With that said, hope you enjoyed that balete tree. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, hit that notification bell. We got you. We'll see you day 2 Siquijor tomorrow. Later, guys. Peace. Bye.